Who is there in the dark? Is that you, Dad? Please stop making those scary noises in the dark corner. Dad, is that really you hiding over there? Dad! Help me! Something is moving in here! I like this cozy house, and the attic is big. This loud storm outside is starting to make me nervous. Mom, what is located directly above our kitchen ceiling? Well, sweetheart, that would be the attic, full of stored treasures. Oh! There is a strange noise coming from up there.
It was probably just the old wood of this house.
Maybe somebody is secretly living up there in the dark. Huh.
Let us go up there and take a look together.
I do not see any scary monsters up here, Dad.
See? There is absolutely nothing to worry about in here.
That wind blowing the tree branch is the sound we heard.
Wait, did you hear those sudden footsteps just now?
Please stay close behind me while I check it out. What kind of secrets are hidden inside this old wardrobe?
That sound was definitely not coming from inside the wardrobe.
Wait, this particular wall sounds completely hollow to me.
Something is behind that wall. We must open it tomorrow.
Let us work together and find this mysterious secret room today!
This specific section of the wall sounds very hollow and empty. Look at these fresh scratches near the bottom of the wall.
I found a very small crack hidden between these two boards. Can you see anything interesting inside the dark space, Dad? Oh. There is that loud scratching noise coming from the wall again.
The wooden board is coming loose. Look at all the dust.
There really is a secret hidden passage behind this old wall.
Please watch your heads as you climb inside this narrow tunnel.
Look at these tiny footprints left in the thick layers of dust.
These dusty footprints are way too small to belong to a child.
Let us follow these mysterious footprints deeper into the dark tunnel. Look what I found. Someone left an old flashlight right here.
This flashlight is not old. Someone was here very recently.
Look at this fresh sandwich wrapper lying on the dusty ground. What if there is actually someone living inside our secret walls? That sudden noise sounded extremely close to where we are standing.
I definitely saw a dark shadow moving quickly in the corner.
There is nobody here now, but where did they go so fast?
Let's see what's inside.
There is another hidden room down beneath this wooden floor hatch. It looks very safe down here. Climb down the ladder carefully.
This hidden basement room is much bigger than I ever imagined. Look over there. There are many objects scattered on the floor. This is my favorite blue toy car that I lost weeks ago. And look, here is your missing pink hairbrush lying right here, Mom. Somebody has been taking our favorite things from the house.
These items are definitely ours. This is getting very strange now.
Did you hear that sudden scratching noise coming from that dark corner?
I saw something move. Everyone please stay safe and stand behind me. Where did it disappear to? There is only darkness over there.
Wait, these are definitely not footprints made by human shoes.
These are very small animal tracks left in the thick dust.
The tracks seem to lead directly toward that small wooden gap. Something small and alive must be living inside that wooden wall. Everyone please be quiet so we can hear what is inside. Was that a tiny kitten meow coming from the wall? Maybe those loud footsteps were just made by a tiny animal.
Ha! Yeah. Maybe.
What was that giant shadow that just ran across the wall?
I saw two glowing eyes staring back at me through the vent. Something is running fast inside the walls. We will catch it tomorrow.
Tonight, we are going to set up a camera to find the truth.
This security camera will record everything that happens in the attic.
I hope the mysterious creature comes back to the attic tonight.
Me too, Dad. I can hear those familiar scratching footsteps on the ceiling again. Look at the screen! I just saw a shadow move!
Please stay close behind me as we climb the attic stairs.
The sound is definitely coming from behind this hollow wall again.
The scratching sounds are getting much louder as we crawl closer.
It's really loud.
What's that sound?
There it goes. A small gray shadow just ran past. It is a gray cat, so that is our mysterious shadow. Why would a wild cat choose to live inside our walls?
Let us follow the cat carefully through this narrow wooden passage. Oh, look! There is something very special hidden in the corner.
Look at those adorable tiny baby kittens sleeping in the nest. The brave mother cat was just trying to protect her babies. She stole my favorite sock to make a soft, warm bed. The mother cat was just making a cozy bed for them.
Those heavy footsteps were just the mother cat moving around.
They were trapped in the wall, but she stayed with them.
She was never dangerous. She was just a mother protecting her family. This narrow space is much too small for the growing kittens.
Feel the cold air coming through that gap in the wood.
The poor little baby kitten is shivering because it is cold. We need to find a way to help the cat family.
This soft blanket inside the cardboard box will make a perfect bed.
Let us put a bowl of fresh water inside the box.
Let us leave the cozy box here and give her some time.
Look, the brave mother cat is slowly coming out to sea.
She is sniffing the blankets. I think she really likes it.
She is starting to carry her babies into the warm box.
She is such a good and caring mother to her kittens.
The backyard shed will be a much safer home for them.
So the scary footsteps were just a mother helping her babies.
Sometimes a scary mystery can have a very kind and happy ending.